live from the ICC Sydney Theater. Celebrate Pinoy Pride with your favorite Kapamilya stars. This is ASAP Live in Sydney.
Dear Moo, Aboriginal Dig and Dance. Girl, girl, girl,
this is true, and I owe it to you.
Had the time of my life, and I've never felt this way before, and that's where it's so strong, and I owe it all to you.
I came up in here to rock, light a fire, make it hot. I don't wanna take no pictures.
This hit that I stole myself, fight for the right road. This one for them good girls, straight masterpieces. Darling, wildin', living it up in the city. The Chuck song with Saint Laurent, gonna kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot, hot days. I'm too hot, hot days. Make a check, wanna return it. Too hot, hot days. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot, hot days. Better have that money. Break it down, girls, hit your hallelujah.
Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to ya. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to ya. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to ya.
Saturday night, we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Ha! Don't believe me, just watch. Hey! Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
Don't believe me, just watch. Hey, 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 oh!
Girls hit you, hallelujah.
Girls hit you hallelujah.
Girls hit you, hallelujah. 'Cause
Uptown Funk don't give it to ya.
'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to ya. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to ya. Saturday night, we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Uptown Funk you up. 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 Don't believe me, just watch.
Don't believe me, just watch.
Sige ng sige. Sige ng sige. Sige ng sige. Ha! Kailangan kung saan walang pakialam. Tayo lang mag-umpisa. Tama na ang pagpupunyo tayo! Sige! Tayo'y magsayaw. Alay to sa ating mundo. Yan ang nais ko. Tayo lang sa hilang. Sa mundo ay bigyan saysay etong tulog. Yan! At sabayan, sabay sumama ka. Sige lang ng sige. Oh, kailangan lang lang yan. Hataw na! Huwag kang mapapon. Hatawan ka lang. Oh, ako tinaw. Hataw na! Huh, nang ganyan, ang lahat ko makalaw. Kaya hataw na! Scream Singer! Pag narinig ko na ang amin, ay natutuwang gulay. Ang kailangan lang ay manalig. Sige lang ng sige, kahit sino pwede ba? Hataw na! Hatawan ka lang. Oh, ako ikaw. Hataw na! Nang ganyan, ang lahat ko magalaw. Kaya hataw na! Your turn to sing it up. Pinoy ako! Buhat ilog, may agimat ang tubo ko. Hoy! Oh, Pinoy ako, may agimat ang tubo ko.
it, the grandest and the much-awaited All-Star Sunday afternoon party right here in Australia, happening right now, right in front of your very eyes. This is
ASAP Live in Sydney!
Ang tagal nating hinintay itong araw na ito and now we're finally here! Kumusta kayo lahat? Sa lahat na nasa harap, kumusta kayo? Sa nasa likod! Alright! Grabe, tanong na tanong namin kayo lahat dito. And we're just really happy to be here. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, kapamilya.
Alam mo, ang saya talaga makita lahat ng mga kapamilya natin dito sa Sydney, Australia! Hindi man tayo laging nagkakasama, but today we are making history as we bring you the biggest reunion of Pinoys here in Sydney!
Okay, taas kamay! Namimiss nyo ba ang Pilipinas? Ayun, we miss you as well. Kaya sagot na namin ang pasalubong nyo. Dahil today, magsasaya lang tayo. We will be celebrating Pinoy Pride. Ang tanong, kapamilya, are you ready?
You know, it's also with great pride and gratitude that we are sharing with you this Hall of Fame recognition from the 32nd PMPC Star Awards for TV. ASAP has been awarded 17 times as Best Musical Variety Show. Kaya naman po, tayo ay Hall of Famer na rin and in this particular category. Thank you, PMPC. And we offer this to all of you, kapamilya. At dahil excited na kami makabanding kayo, siyempre, dala namin ang lahat ng mga paborito nyo pagdating sa kantahan, sayawan. Relax. Mamaya ka kayo. Patikiligan. Kasama na rin dito, mga paborito nyo lahat.
Yes, and to celebrate with us here in Sydney, of course, are our beloved Kapamilya bosses led by Sir Gabby Lopez, our Chairman Emeritus, ABS-CBN. President and CEO, ABS, Mr. Sir Carlo Katigbak. Ms. Chiqui De Jesus, COO, ABS-CBN Global. Mr. Jay Santos, Country Manager, Australia and the Pacific. And the rest of the ABS-CBN Executive Committee.
Thank you to our Kapamilya and TFC bosses. This is gonna be our best Pinoy gathering and celebration dito sa Sydney, Australia.
Isinama pa namin ang OPM's Best of the Best with our very special guests. Mr. Randy Santiago, Mr. Ariel Rivera, and Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid.
That says more than enough para sa mga nag-aabang, para sa mga ibang stars natin. At kasama din natin Miss Universe 2015. Pia Wurtzbach is also here to join the fun. Kasama pa sila Miss Christine Reyes and the X Factor Australia 2014 Grand Winner Pinoy Pride natin, Marlisa Punsalan.
Yes! At syempre, ka-join din natin ang mga nagwagwapuhang kapamilya heartthrobs, sina Daniel Padilla, Joshua Garcia, Enrique Hill, Paolo Avelino, Gerald Anderson, and of course, Piolo Pascual.
Teka.
Sandali. Bakit hindi ako kasali dun sa heartthrobs?
Isama natin. Sama natin, Mr. Ogie Alcacid!
Alam mo, mga kapamilya dito sa Sydney, yun ang hindi ko maintindihan kasi lagi lang tinatawag na Papa P eh. Lilinawin ko lang, ako yung Ogie, siya yung Piolo. Diba, Papa P lagi ang tinatawag na Ogie?
Hindi.
Basag.
Baka malabo lang mata nila. Ganyan na.
Ayun. Pero syempre, hindi rin mawawala ang love and kilig vibes dito sa Australia. Dahil nandito rin ang dalawa sa paborito niyong love teams from the recently concluded Kapamilya Fantaserie, Bagani and Primetime Vidas. Ngayon at kailanman, we are giving you Josh Lea, Joshua Garcia, Julia Barreto, and ang Liz Ken, Liza Soberano, and Enrique Hill.
Grabe. Sobrang nakakatuwa ang binibigyan niya yung energy sa amin. Kapamilya, nais po namin ibahagi sa inyo ang isang napaka-espesyal na balita mula sa TFC. I love you too, thank you! Kasabay na nalalapit na 25th anniversary ng TFC, tayo ay magiging bahagi ng Natatanging Kapamilya Thank You program ng ABS-CBN.
This means, to all the TFC subscribers, we are sure that you will actually be enjoying perks, rewards, and privileges for being a loyal kapamilya. And if you want to know more about this, let's watch this.
Sa simbahan, tayo na ang magkasama. Walang sawa niyong pinadama ang inyong pagmamahal at suporta.
It was really like a dream come true to finally see them.
As we all know, ABS is all about being in the service of the Filipinos, so that's what we're doing.
Kaya sa nalalapit na 25th year ng TFC, kami naman ang magte-thank you sa inyo, kapamilya! Malapit na!
Yan po ang aming handog na thank you sa inyo for being with us through all these years, kapamilya.
The more you stay with us, the more Kapamilya thank you rewards and gifts you will receive.
Learn more about Kapamilya Thank You in the months to come. Kaya, thank you for the love, Kapamilya!
Ang saya talaga to spend the day with our lovely kapamilyas here in Australia. Kaya naman, ituloy na natin ang celebration ngayon with a special dance performance from the G-Force and Kapamilya Dance Idols. Give it up for Kim, Maha, Christine, Enchong, and Gerald.
Wait, back to back with the finest singers of OPM, the king of teleserye theme songs, Eric Santos, pop royalty, Yeng Constantino, Asia's Soul Supreme KZ, the X Factor Season 6 champion, Marlisa Punsalan, and Rock Maestro, Bamboo!
It's been a long and winding journey, but I'm finally here tonight, picking up the pieces and walking back into the light, into the sunset of your glory, where my heart and future lies. There's nothing like that feeling when I look into your eyes. My dream
love when we were together. Like when you said you felt so happy you could die. Told myself that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in no company. But that was love, and it's a night I still remember. I still remember.
You can get addicted to a certain kind of sadness, like resignation to the end, always the end.
Always here.
So when we found that we cannot make sense, well, you said that we would still be friends. But I'll admit that I was glad it was over.
You didn't have to call me up, make it like it never happened. Now we were nothing, and I don't even need your love. You treat me like a stranger, and it feels so rough.
No, you didn't have to stoop so low. Have your friends collect your records and the change your number. I guess that I won't need that though. Now you're just somebody that I used to know.
Is that right? Is that what you
I
say?
used to know.
Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Is that your truth? Is that what you mean, baby? Now you're just somebody that I used to know.
I was in the think of all the times you screwed me over. Have me believing there was always something that I'd done.
But I don't wanna live that way. Read it in every word you say. You said that you could let it go.
And I wouldn't get you hung up for somebody that you used to know.
You don't have to talk me up, make it like it never happened. Never we were nothing. Need your love, treat me like a stranger, and it feels so rough. Didn't have to stoop so low. Have your friends collect your records and change your number. 'Cause I don't need
Kamusta po kayong lahat? Okay pa? Sobrang saya po na makapiling kayo rito sa Australia. And buti na lang, hindi ako nag-iisa. Kasi actually, kasama ko sa trip dito si... Sino? Tamang-tama. Pero parang... Kanina pa siya... Hindi nakikita eh. Parang hindi ko siya maramdaman.
Julia! Kanina ba kitang hinahanap? Nandiyan ka lang pala.
Ikaw naman, babatiin.
Hello mga kapamilya!
Actually, babatiin kita. Gusto kitang batian, pero sa Australian style.
Sige.
Pero nahiya ako sa baka mali.
Paano ba yan?
Tatry ko ah.
Sige.
Good day, mate.
Mali.
Ay, paano ba?
Mali ka. Kung para sa iba, tama yan. Pero kung para sa akin, good day, soulmate.
Ito naman. Nangbobola ka pa. Halika nga dito. Akala ko
Pwede ba
kasi
kitang tabihan?
tama na yung sinasabi ko eh. Oh, eto na. Sabihin mo nga sa akin, bakit ngayon ka lang dumating?
Sorry na. Kasi dumaan pa ako ng souvenir shop. Pagdaan ko doon, may binili ako. Ito para hindi mo ako makalimutan sa trip natin. Ayan. Kangaroo. Alam mo kung bakit kangaroo?
Sige, sabihin mo sa akin bakit.
Kasi tuwing nakikita kita, papatulan yung puso ko eh.
Yan na naman siya sa mga banat niya. Saan mo ba nakuha yung mga banat na ganyan?
Sa internet. Hindi, inspired lang ako kasi alam mo ba na marami tayong kababayan dito sa Austria na Australia! Ano yun? Saan tayo? Australia! Na may nakakakilig na kwentong pag-ibig. And today, on ASAP PLC, The Love Connection, mga love stories in the land down under ang gift natin for everyone. Gaya ng una nating kwento kung saan mapapatalon din ang puso natin sa kaba at kilig. Let's all watch this.
Hi, my name is Cindy James. I work as administrative coordinator in one of the legal transcriptionist firm in Sydney, Australia.
Hi, my name is Christopher James. I'm a barista trainer for a coffee company in Sydney, Australia.
I was born and raised in the Philippines in Ormoc City, Leyte. I have the opportunity to join beauty pageants back home. One of the beauty pageants I joined was the Miss Lawig Festival Queen, where I met my husband.
My family is originally from Pulumpun, Leyte, and I was there visiting my family. I'm there, so they're going to show me the fiesta.
So that day was the feast of St. Francis Xavier in Pulumpun, Leyte. So the pageant consisted first in a motorcade in the morning, and then followed by me dancing on the Pulumpun Port.
I was moving through the crowd, just trying to find a good space. It just so happens I saw Dindi, and she was looking right at me, and I looked at her, and we stopped and stared at each other for like 10 seconds, but it's like the longest 10 seconds of my life.
And I couldn't just believe it, because you look at me, so I was just fully like this, oh my gosh. So I was very unique. For me, it was love at first sight that I've never felt to anyone.
And then I decided I wanted to get a photo with her, so we took our first photo together.
He just put his arms on my waist. Sabi ko, ang guwapo pero manyak naman. And he just put directly after a dance. So I have to prepare for the pageant night. And I just can't stop thinking about him.
I went to the pageant with my family, and I saw Dindi there, and she was my bet for the night. Like watching her perform, it was really impressive. Like she was really good.
I competed. I ended up winning the pageant.
And I was really happy for her. I really like her, so I'm gonna go up to her.
2 days after the pageant, so I was sitting down in a cafe back in Ormoc City, and I was thinking to myself, maybe I should just look at him on Facebook. So I tried searching on Facebook and I got a call from someone. Hi, are you Miss Dindy Magikay? We're going to Ormoc to meet you, and end the call. And then ended up following up a message saying like, we're going to Ormoc City with Christopher James to meet you. I was like, oh my gosh, the guy that I've been wanting to know is coming all the way to Ormoc City to meet me.
So we did this 2-hour car trip from Pelopon to Ormoc, and throughout the whole trip I was really nervous. Ended up seeing her in Sabine.
What I did the first conversation is like, do you have a girlfriend? And then sabi niya na, wala, it's been like 5 years that I don't have a girlfriend. I was like, oh wow. As we started to exchange our numbers.
Before I left, I asked Dindy if she wanted to be my girlfriend. Yeah, she said yes, and we were both like, you know, really happy, but also concerned because we know that we're going to be in a long distance relationship.
He always messaged me first thing in the morning kasi yung Australian time is more ahead than the Philippine time. And we just like try to call each other, video call every day, make sure that I'm fine. And I also make sure that he's okay. On November 2013 po, that was the exciting moment for me because Chris is coming back again for the second time. So this is like the formal time that we're going to celebrate our first anniversary together. It's already been booked. And then here comes Typhoon Yolanda hit my region. We're not expected the devastation that happened. And I've never thought we're going to survive on that day. It was very like hard for us to move forward. And with the support of Chris, it helped us to go through.
When I arrived there, yeah, I was really like shocked. It was just really intense. But it was a really good time as well in our relationship because on this trip I was staying with Dindy's family and I was able to really develop a good connection with Dindy's family. I celebrated Christmas there, we celebrated New Year's Eve there. It was just really nice to be able to see what her life is like. From that trip, my relationship with Dindy, but also with her family, just became even stronger.
I was very shocked that he came all the way from Australia to the Philippines to check if I'm okay. I was very amazed by the effort that he did.
It just got to this point where our relationship was getting very serious. We wanted to make a decision. I decided in 2015 I was going to propose. She said yes, and you know, put the ring on her. And we ended up getting married in Sabine. One of my relatives is a pilot, so he flew a plane and he was dropping like flower petals. It's really nice of him.
All the effort, you know, all the sacrifices, you know, all the pain and struggles that we both gone through. I'm just so grateful that he's my husband. I just wanted to let you know that whatever you go through in life, whatever ups and downs, I'm always gonna be here, supporting you, supporting our life together, and I love you very much.
We have the worst arguments, but we have the best memories as well. You're my best friend. I love you so much.
Wow, that is such a beautiful love story. Mga kapamilya, mga kasama rin po natin ngayon, sina Christopher and Dindy. Hi guys! Thanks for being with us. Sa kabila ng pinagdadaanan yung unos noon, nagkaroon naman kayo ng beautiful ending ngayon. Kasama ang isa't isa forever and ever.
Talaga namang napakaganda feeling. Napakagandang feeling ang ma-in love. Para...
You can, kaya mo yan.
Hindi, totoo yun. Napakagandang feeling ang ma-in love. Parang ako lang sa'yo. Diba? At ito, dahil in love kayo sa isa at kitang-kita na namin, I hope na maraming na-inspire ho sa kwento ninyo. Kaya ito ang handog namin para sa inyo. Mula sa ating kapamilya singers, Daryl Long and my favorite, Miss Moira De La Torre.
Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan. Tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Dati mong pag-ibig wala pakialam.
Tawid lang. Sino ka man, mahal kita, mahal kita. Inisip nila hindi mahal ka, mahal kita maging, mahal kita maging. Sino ka man. Kahit na ano pang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging, mamahalin kita maging. Sino ka man, mahal kita, mahal kita, kahit mahal kita. Inisip nila hindi mahal ka, mahal kita maging, mahal kita maging. Sino ka man, sino ka man. Sige lang po, tinalakad lang. Mahal kita maging. Sino ka
Hello mga kapamilya! At syempre, hello din sa'yo.
Hello.
Buti na lang talaga at nakasama kami dito sa Australia.
Yep.
I'm really enjoying. Are you guys enjoying?
Alam mo, para sa akin, it's the best trip so far. Trip ko yung food dito, trip ko yung mga tourist spots, trip ko yung mga tao. Pero alam mo ba ang pinaka-trip ko sa lahat?
Ano yun?
Trip kita.
Alam mo, buti na lang at cute ka, kaya bagay sa'yo yung mga ganyang hirit. But in all fairness, ang sweet mo. Just like Joshua kay Julia kanina. Pero, buti pa si Julia may kangaroo.
Love. Love. Relax lang. Ako pa. Hindi ko sinabi sa'yo kanina. Kasama ko si Joshua. Siyempre, surprise din ako para sa'yo. Oh. Di ba? Cute, no? Koala. Di ba?
I love it. Pero, bakit koala?
Kasi kapag na-fall ka na sa akin, wala ka ng koala.
Ikaw talaga ha, kanina ka pa.
Ayaw na.
It's funny, pero Ken, nas mo na yan, please.
Ito naman, pinapakiti lang kita. Because in life and in love, there's always a reason to smile. At kahit di perfect ang journey, there's always another chance to make everything right. Just like our next story. Let's all watch this.
Hi, I'm Jared. I work for Service New South Wales and I work for the government.
I'm Christine. I work as a operations manager in a hotel in the city. I was in a friend's house. That moment, I'm in a relationship. Pero yung best friend ata nung kaibigan ko darating, sabi niya, oh, I'd like you to meet Jared.
Nung pumunta ako sa Manila to visit my family and friends, and then nung nakita nga kami, sinabi ko parang, oh, okay.
Naabot ko na yung kamay ko sa kanya. Parang, gumanon. Parang, Hindi ako
I was
pinansin.
busy. I was
Hindi ako
busy.
pinansin.
Na may kausap ako.
Ayun.
Long hair pa ako noon. Nalilibog ko. Ewan ko.
Wala,
nakita ko
walang lang
Wala.
dating. After a year yata, nag-work ako sa hotel. So, nag-check-in siya. Nakita ko na lang yung name niya dun sa list. Ito ba yung nakilala ko a year ago na kipate ko? Tapos, later that month, nag-ano naman, sa messenger naman siya nag-message.
Sa Yahoo Messenger, yeah.
Doon ko in-accept. Tapos nagkakwentuhan kami. Tapos doon na nag-start.
And then, every night na kami nag-uusap. And then to the point na I called my dad, sabi ko, there's this parang special girl na gusto ko puntahan mo. And then sabi niya, why? Sabi niya, just send her flowers to me.
Nagkita na kami sa workplace. I'm already, single. So, wala akong planong magka-boyfriend. So, kasi, nasaktan na ako. And then, porsigido naman siya na, sinuyo naman ako. Sabi niya, tanggap ko naman kahit na meron kang, baby. So, yun na, binigyan ko na chance. After ng engagement, he needs to go back to Sydney to work. Doon, isang buwan lang siya nag-stay. Sabi niya, hindi ko na kaya go back. So, umuwi siya after a month.
So I did my job.
Everyone was shocked.
Everyone was shocked. Sinabi ko,
Mami niya dito.
babalik ako ng Pilipinas. I want to fix it. I want to make sure na lahat ng papeles ko.
So, akala niya madali lang. Because normally, it will just only take you 3 months, but it didn't. We moved here February 2008. We have to settle down and have to find a work. We saved up a lot at that time. After nun, ninasikaso ko na rin yung papers ng daughter. Ang hirap. Na-overcome naman namin yun. Tapos naayos na yung papers.
Challenges, yeah.
Naayos na yung paper ng daughter ko. Hindi na, may plano na namin. But we didn't plan na magiging pregnant ako. Pero it's a blessing. Akala ko happy na kasi andito na yung gusto ko, nandito na yung anak ko, tapos magkakababy na kami. And then something happened. Nung nanganak ako, wala siya. He's always not in the scene. Doon ko na na-notice na may lock na yung cellphone niya. One time, nakita ko yung password niya. So natutulog siya. Inopen ko. So that time, nakita ko na talaga. Yun na yung confirmation na there's someone. What do I do? I have a son. I don't go to me. Wala akong work. So nakalive ako na. Parang tuliro. Pero hindi pa rin natapos nun eh. Naliwalay lang kami nun. At that time na bumalik na siya kasi needs to go back to work. We changed the lock para hindi siya makapasa. Kaya ayaw ka talagang umalis. Yun na, sisirain yun na yung door. You have to call the cops.
So nung habang wala sila, umuwi ako, tumawag ako ng Luxy.
Saglit pa siya ng love you, Bobby, iniwan niya.
Oo nga, nalala ko.
So yun, sabi ko, meron pa palang may pag-asa pa. Sabi niya, magbabago na ako, iiwan ako na talaga. I have to fight for my marriage. Kasi at the end of the day, it's our responsibility. May responsibility kami sa mga anak na. Sabi nga nila, you cannot do it by yourself. Kailangan mo talaga ng grace ni God to help you through it. Until dumating yung time na I have to face my fear. There's one time na pauwi ako from work. I met this girl again. So after 4 years,
4 years, yeah.
nakita ko siya. So parang, Lord, anong plano mo? Ano bang gagawin ko? So I just prayed about it, Lord. Whatever is your plan, bahala ka. You know me. Yung gano'n. Oo naman, sabi niya I remember you. Sabi niya, by the way, I just want to say sorry. Nawakan ko na lang din siya. It's okay. I've forgiven you. Siguro yun na yung closure na hinahanap ko. I think that's the last thing na naiiyak ako. Pero this time is tears of joy kasi I let go of my bitterness.
Yung mga pinagdaanan namin, some people already mentioned na hindi na yan.
Oo, hindi na mag-work.
Pero by grace at saka yung by support of the families and friends, maraming hindi na ganyan. Hindi maraming lumita.
You just have to give it all to Him. And then now we have 3 kids.
Yeah, 3 kids na, yeah.
Going strong.
Going strong. I love you.
This October, Jared and Christine are actually celebrating their 10th year anniversary as husband and wife. And they're with us here today. Congratulations po sa inyong dalawa. Your story of a second chance is a reminder that indeed love can conquer anything.
We wish you more blessings, especially with your 3 amazing kids. And as our anniversary gift, here's a heartwarming song from the king of teleserye theme songs, Mr. Eric Santos, and ultimate singer-songwriter, Mr. Augie Alcacid. Give it up!
May maganda na sana
ako'y hakan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko, pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap na nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Good day, Sally! Okay pa ba kayo? Love it!
Yeah! Grabe! Sinong kapamilya star ba ang gusto niyong makita? Si Paolo Avellino ba?
Wow! Tama yan dahil we have a lot in store for you. More surprises, more performances, more of your favorite artists.
That's right, and we will make sure that you get a 5-star experience today featuring your favorite Kapamilya artist.
Ganyan namin kayo kamahal kapamilya at syempre, ganyan din namin kamahal ng sobra-sobra ang Australia. Now, diba, who wouldn't love Australia? Nakita natin napakaganda ng mga tourist spots, grabe yung marine life, buhay na buhay. Alam niyo ba, guys, na mula sa Australia are some of the best actors in Hollywood.
Ay, wow! Talaga ba? Sige nga, sinong mga actors and actresses ang mga yan? Tingnan natin kung talagang famous na.
Teka, ako, meron akong kilang award-winning Australian actor in Hollywood. We know him as Hugh Jackman.
Syempre.
Wolverine siya sa X-Men. And just last year, played P.T. Barnum in The Greatest Showman.
Ganda nun.
Ay, Diyos ko, gustong-gusto ko yung pelikulang yon. Ang
Kantahin mo
daming magagandang ano ka? Papakantahin mo pa ako? Ikakatapos lang nila kumanta ng Gusto niyo ba akong kumanta?
Pwede! Sige!
Sige. Sa susunod na TLC, kasama na ako.
Go, Maha! Okay yan. At alam mo ba kung ano pa ang malaganyang pelikula din? Yung Moulin Rouge. Pinagbidahan niya ng Australian actress na si Nicole Kidman. At balita ko, yung ibang pelikula doon, dito siya nude sa Australia.
Ay, ang ganda din ng mga costumes dyan, di ba? Siguro masarap mapanood yan na pina-perform ng mga idolo nating mga Pinoy, di ba? Gusto niyo ba yon? Gusto niyo ba makakita ng bonggang prod?
Dahil gusto nila, syempre, pinaghandaan natin lahat yan with the G-Force. Let's all be entertained with a spectacular performance from your ASAP Kapamilya!
Hell is gonna happen to you, there's nothing left for you to be. Shake your ass, come over here, now scream. I'm a burning like a tree of everything I used to be. You're my rock of empathy, my dear. Now scream. Let me entertain you. Woo. Let me entertain you. Life is short for you to die, so grab yourself an alibi. Heaven knows your mother lied, motion. Separate your right from wrongs. Come and sing a different song. The piano's on and don't belong. Motion. So come on, let me entertain you. Let me entertain you. Say, let me
stars in the air. Let's pair or pear shape. These rocks don't lose their shape. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. 'Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Mwah! Throughout the years, so bring your good times and your laughter too. We gonna celebrate your party. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Yeah, yeah. Celebration. Let's you and me celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you, Darren. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! Yeah! It's a celebration. Yeah! It's a celebration, yeah!
Our kapamilyas here in Sydney are definitely entertained by spectacular performances hatid sa atin ng sobrang galing at pambatong mga kapamilya stars.
Yes, ilan lang po yan sa world-class entertainment na hatid namin sa inyo. Ngayon, are you ready for more kapamilya? I can't hear you. Are you ready for more?
Ayun, no, itong susunod naman nating guest ay pinag-usapan at talagang hinangaan hindi lang ng mga Pinoy, kundi pati mga taga-ibang bansa. Idol na idol natin. So,
Loading.
Ay, naku,
Loading.
Chick, totoo talaga yung sinabi mo. Hindi lang natin siya iniidolo dahil sa ganda niya at taas ng boses niya at busilak na damdamin. Pati na rin sa marami niyang hit songs na naging theme songs ng ating buhay.
Australia, this is it. She is this inspiration for most singers like us, Kuya Luis, because of her journey. Dati na siyang naka-perform sa ASAP noon, and after more than 2 decades, she is back home to perform ulit dito sa ASAP Stage. Kasama ang mga kababae natin dito sa Australia. Tanong ko, guys, are you ready?
And I think they have an idea kung sino to, diba? This is going to be her first performance with us after a very long time, and we are so honored to be joined once again by a certified Pinoy pride and a Philippines music icon. Her voice is ready to soar high. Kapamilya, here on ASAP Live in Sydney. Let's all be mesmerized once again of the voice of the Asia Songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez Alcácer!
Nagmula sa'yo, sa iyong ganda, ang puso'y di makalimot. Tuwing napilit ka, tanging nadarama ang pagsilip ng bituin sa iyong mga mata. Ang saya nitong pag-ibig, sana'y di na mag-iba. Ang pangarap ko, ang iyong binubuhay, ngayong nagmamahal ka sa akin ng tunay. At ang himig ko'y parang musika, nagpapaligaya sa munting nagwawala. Ang sarap nitong pag-ibig, lalo pa nung sinabi mo, lalayin kita sa aking palasyo, lalayin hanggang langit ay manibado. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo.
sa'yo mga mata. Kaya'y di nais makapiling Regine. Hindi mo ba pansin ako sa'yo'y may pagtingin? Sana ang tingin ko'y iyong tingin.
Hindi mapalagay pagkat ang puso ko'y nalulumay. Sana ay pagkaingatan mo ito at tandaan mo ang isang pangako.
Hindi kita iiwan.
Pangako di ko pababayaan.
Pangako, hindi ka na mag-isa. Pangakong magmula ngayon
Tayong dalawa. Kung tunay man ang nadarama mo, ito ang nais kong malaman mo.
aking puso ay iyong-iyo. Huwag sana umiwag sa pangako. Pangako, hindi kita iiwan. Pangako,
Di mo pababayaan. Pangako, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Pangakong magmula ngayon tayong dalawa. Pangako, hindi kita iiwan. Pangako, di ko papabayaan. Pangako, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Pangakong magmula ngayon tayong dalawa.
Ladies and gentlemen, together with the singer-songwriter Mr. Ogie Alcacid, mga pamilya, once again, please welcome the one and only Asia Songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid! What a warm welcome from our kapamilyas here in Sydney. We're so very happy to see you again, Reg, here on the ASAP stage. Welcome back, Reg!
Hindi ako makapagsalita kasi baka umiyak na naman ako. Maraming salamat po mga kapamilya for welcoming me here. Again, here in ASAP. It's been a while.
It has been.
And I am so excited. Gary V, you don't know how excited I am to be performing with you again and to be looking at you.
Sandali.
Sorry.
Ano ba?
To sing with
Pangako
you.
nga eh.
Hindi, to sing with you.
Siya yung Piolo, ako yung Ogie. Ano ba?
You know, honestly, bro, okay lang yan. You're going to receive a lot of that the more she appears with us. Wala tayong magagawa eh.
No, but I love you, honey.
Alam ko naman.
Thank you. Gusto ko lang pong sabihin na ang asawa ko ay napaka-supportive. He is a wonderful person. He makes me laugh all the time. At kahit may Piolo Pascual ako dito sa kabila, ikaw pa rin ang mahal ko.
You know,
Mamaya mag-usap tayo.
You know, to be honest, nakaupo kami ni Piolo dyan sa side ng stage. At parang nung bumirit ka na, Regine, which many people expect. But the thing is, when you do it excellently all the time. Eh. So, biglang tumingin ako kay Piolo, sabi ko, I can't believe she's actually here with us. And we do want to thank you for being here. Bro, thank you rin.
Walang anuman.
Thank you rin.
Walang anuman.
Nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga bago kong boss, si Tita Cory, gusto kong batiin. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Si Derek Loren na nandito, binabantayan yata ako. So maraming salamat kay Louie, syempre ayoko siya tawagin Sir Deo, pero kay Deo, maraming salamat. At syempre, si Sir Gabby. At saka si Sir Carlo, meron akong prompter. Maraming pong salamat, and I am happy and so excited to call myself now a kapamilya. Kailangan ba mataas yun?
Tama.
Kapamilya!
Alam nyo, kanina pa namin tinatanong si Regine o kinakausap namin si Regine dahil kasama mo na yung mga kapamilya, kapamilya mo dito sa Sydney. Bro, ikaw, what do you feel now that she's actually with us, with you? Parang it's a story that was pang pelikula eh. Yung galing kayo sa kanila, andito kayo ngayon. Di ba? Ngayon, andito ka na. Sige, wag ka na tumingin dyan sa kanan mo. Dito ka na lang tumingin kasi.
Alam mo bro, ang problema ko, pag nakatingin ako kay Piolo, para ako nakatingin sa salamin. At
sa akin na
yun nga eh. Panay ang angkla mo, ha? Bago ko sagutin yung tanong mo, Gary, gusto ko lang ipakilala po sa inyo ang bagong hashtag. Kasi may hashtag Josh Lia, diba? May hashtag Kathniel. Kami po ay Ogie Regine, hashtag Ogre po. Yan po ang bago namin. Napakaganda, madaling tandaan. Tandaan nyo lang po si Shrek, ayun na po yun.
But to end, sorry. So now that we know how you feel,
yung si Shrek lang.
Pero alam mong ibig ko sabihin, di ba? Parang alala ko a few months ago, parang palabiro pa nga yung pagkasabi ni Ogie sa amin ni Martin Rivera. Bro, sabi niya, what do you feel? Asap, Regine, napatingin kaming dalawa ni Martin sa isa't isa because we thought you were joking. But now it's a reality and we're celebrating it, we're starting it here in Sydney. What a better place. There's no better place to celebrate that. What do you feel?
Well, alam nyo naman na itong Sydney ay pangalawang tahanan ko.
Yes!
Kapag may pamilya din ako dito.
Andito sila?
Andyan sila Michelle,
Hi, Shell!
si Lila, si Mark, si Sarah, andyan po sila.
Yes.
But I just want to say, wala po kong kinalaman sa pagpunta po ni Regine dito.
May disclaimer agad.
Nagpapasalamat lang po ako sa Panginoon sapagkat siya po ang nagbigay ng daan na siya po ay maging kasama natin dito at maging tunay na kapamilya.
Yes.
Bilang isang tagahanga mo, iba yung tagahamak, nananakit yun eh. Iba yun eh. Bilang isang pinakamaliit mong tagahanga, I just want to say, honey, I am so proud of you. Welcome to ABS-CBN.
Thank you.
That's all.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po ulit. And syempre ako, I am truly honored to be part of the ABS-CBN family and to call myself nga a kapamilya artist. And pwede ba ako mag-imbita? Kasi alam niyo may show ako eh.
Why not?
Hindi naman dito sa Pilipinas, pero baka madinig nila, baka lang. Iniimbitahan ko po kayong manood ng Regine at the Theater at the Kia. Ito po ay mangyayari sa November 17, 24, and 25. And I hope to see you guys there. Thank you again, mga kapamilya dito sa Australia!
Once again, Mr. Ogie Alcacid and Ms. Regine Velasquez Alcacid. You guys want more?